Let's talk about the ConductorOne data model. So in ConductorOne, we have multiple layers of our data model, but we're going to start with, you have an application, which we view as a container for many resources. So the app contains a tree of resources. So for example, you could have a tree of groups. And those are the membership to a group is called an entitlement. And then an actual user, the binding to that is a membership grant to a user. And this is the funny thing, in ConductorOne, your users are also just resources. So this grant is a pointer to a user resource. What's interesting is we also can nest all these resources in trees, so you can represent more complex data models, because ConductorOne is fundamentally representing the authorization model of other applications. So if you think about something like GitHub, which has organizations and then repositories and then teams assigned to those repositories, this nested resource tree with individual grant pointers back to other resources allows us to model complex hierarchical data models across anything that has ever been built.